Okay, I'm sitting here with the Shanks. Can y'all introduce yourselves?
Hi, we're the Shanks family.
Hey.
Steven, Tara, Cameron, Steven.
Okay, so do y'all feel like y'all found your dream home?
Yeah.
We do. I do.
What makes you know that this is your dream home?
That connection, that energy with the home.
It feels right.
Man.
What's your favorite part, Mr. Steven?
The bathroom.
He means the shower, guys. He means the shower. So have y'all enjoyed working with me throughout this process? I know I call you a million times.
Absolutely. Chanel, you've been awesome. You really have.
Aw.
You've made this process so stressless.
Aww.
We're first time home buyer, guys. So we've never been through this process. And she was just so patient. And oh my gosh, she dropped so much knowledge on the process and what it takes. And she held our hand along the way. So it felt so less scary.
Aww.
So we appreciate you being so smart and good at what you do because it helped put us at ease. So thank you so much for being attentive and for being here. We really appreciate you.
Thank you. So y'all ready to move in?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah!
Yay!